Introducing the newly updated 2023-24 NTCA Reference Manual. Crafted by the leading experts of tile, stone, and allied products industry, the NTCA Technical Committee meets twice a year, ensuring every detail is perfect, every document revised, and new standards set. And remember, these meetings, they're open to the public.
This book is produced by our technical committee. It is, I say by the NTCA produces this book. A lot of hard work goes into this. It gets updated every year, and it is set up in a cause, cure, prevention format. And so what that means, a lot of this book is set up. Have you ever seen cracked grout on a job site, Chase?
Yeah.
Okay. So what you can do in this book is look up cracked grout. Okay, well, that's our problem that we're dealing with, and then it will give you a table of contents, and it will say, here's what could cause cracked grout. Here's how to fix the cracked grout, the cure, and then here's how to not do that again, the prevention. And so all these, and there's all kinds of those examples in there that I really enjoy this book. My favorite part about this book is there are cautionary letters, and so what that means is there are pre-written letters in this book, and a good example of one would be, Dear Mr. Glass Installer or Glass Company, do not drill through my waterproofing on my curtain. But it's professionally written, the input of both, contractors, architects, attorneys, everybody kind of has to approve all of what gets said in this, so it's very professionally written. And then what I can do is just take it out of this book, put my letterhead or my logo on it, and sign my name at the bottom. This is here to help our contractors. And so it's kind of cool. There's, I think, 12, maybe 16, somewhere in that range of cautionary letters in this book, and so that's one of my favorite parts.
Discover the latest in substrates, membranes, and thin bed method installations. Dive deep into new topics like handmade tile installation, understand the techniques and tips, explore the world of mesh-mounted mosaics in wet areas, and discover the nuance of profiles, pressed cement tiles, and more. And on our cover, witness the brilliance of Lambert Tile and Stone from Eagle, Colorado. The best part, the NTCA Reference Manual is available in both print and PDF. Order yours today from the NTCA store. For our members, distributors, and manufacturers, this manual is your gateway to unparalleled expertise. Gift it to your customers and elevate the standard of your work. The 2023-24 NTCA Reference Manual, knowledge, expertise, and excellence in one place.